Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I am going to be showing you how to do another type of length check using Kotlin. So this is part 3 of a series. There'll be an eye up in the corner with a playlist which will take you to the whole Kotlin length check series. But you don't need to watch that tutorial to understand this one. Let's get right into it. So basically a length check in this tutorial is going to be us checking if the length of a string is equal to a specific value. For instance, let's say we input Jeff as our name and we only accept names that are 5 characters long. Well then it would be invalid because Jeff is 4 characters long. But let's say we input Jeffy, it would be valid because it's 5 characters long, and we only accept names of 5 characters for some bizarre reason. That's a really odd scenario. But let's get right into it. So basically we have got the val user input equals Jeffy. This variable is going to represent user input. This tutorial is not going to cover how to get user input, only how to validate it. And then we're going to do a print line, which just prints a line to the console. We do a bracket, length check, user input, 5, bracket, close bracket. This line is going to make sense in a moment, but we're basically going to print the result of the length check. So this little function here is going to be our length check. So it's going to start with fun, then we do length check, input, string, so we're going to get the user input, and that's going to be a string, that's our first parameter, whatever it is we want to do a length check on. Then we do len, is the variable representing how long we want this string to be, and it's an integer. Then we do boolean, because we want to return a true or false, true for valid, false for invalid. Curly bracket, and then on the next line we do return inputs.length double equals len. So when we do comparisons we use 2 equal signs because 1 equal sign is assigning a value and then 2 equal signs is comparing values. And return basically means, right, whatever's on this line we're going to return to wherever we called the function. Input is our string, and .length will get the length, or how many characters there are in a string. So Jeffy would mean .length gives us a 5. And then with that number, we can check if it's equal to another number. So in this case, we have Jeffy, which is 5 characters long, so this becomes a 5. And then we're checking if that's equal to 5, because len is 5 right now. And then this returns a true overall, because 5 is equal to 5. But if we only had Jeff, well then this would become 4 characters, and this would be 5, and 4 is not equal to 5, therefore this becomes false. And that's basically it for this tutorial, so let's show it in action. And it's true, because 5 is equal to 5. But if we were to do Jeff instead, it becomes false, because 4 is not equal to 5. It's not the correct length. And that's it for this tutorial, so be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see more Kotlin tutorials. Thanks for being a great audience.